welcome back to another outdoor cooking vlog with your boy Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Guys, in today's video it's gonna be another great one, but before we even start the video, as usual, we say welcome to all our new subscribers to the channel, and if this is the first time you're seeing the channel, guys, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell, help grow the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to try the things a little bit different from like a everyday Sunday dinner vlog. So today I'm going to roast some yam, I'm going to saute up some saltfish with some okra, and that's what I'm going to look about today. So guys, before we even start the process of roasting of the yam, you know what the first thing where I have to do is catch up the fire, right? So what I'm too much is that's what I do now. Catch up the fire and make the fire burn down a little bit, because I don't want too much humid fire under the yam. Most likely I just want to use the coal from the fire to roast the yam. So we are going to make the fire burn down just a little bit before we actually start to roast the yam. But even before that, I go still have to use some of the high fire, because I go boil off the saltfish just a little bit. So now that the fire burned down to coal, I can literally put on the yam on the grill, make it stay there, go and roast. I check on the saltfish. So you know, say I roast yam with saltfish and okra today. So now the saltfish call off. So basically, I take them out from the pot. I scald them for about 5 minutes, then take them out and just add them in some clean water. People, fire hot. That's all we can say, fire hot. Basically, I check on the yam. So as I explained before, now the fire burn down, so I put it straight on the coal for the yam take its time and roast, because I don't really want to have it on too much excess amount of fire. So when you have it on the coal, now we will just take its time and just roast. So I check on it. I'm going to go and roast. Basically, they're on the coal about half an hour now. So, just give some more time and then turn it accordingly, just for both sides to roast properly. So, I check on the same way, and guys, can't left out the cheese stick either. When was the last time you have a cheese stick? These are what we grew up on as a kids, and even me turn adult now, I still love my cheese stick. So almost roast, because the fork I go straight through it now, so the soup can take it off. So guys, basically I wash off me, season them, I go cut them up. I'm done roast. So I'm just going to saute up the season and the vegetable to cook up the saltfish with the okra. See, make it undone the vlog and try to upload it early and just sit back and relax. Last week I uploaded the video, guys, and I did a drink beer, but because I never restrict the video for kids, YouTube, I don't know if none of them even realize that YouTube did actually take down the video. Edit out back the video and then put it back. So apparently now we can't do that like first time again. Because YouTube really strict and then keep on changing their policy. So I have to just work with their system. So I use scotch bonnet pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper and garlic. So I use the scotch bonnet pepper just to add some spice. And my okra saltfish. Guys, we love spice and we cook with pepper, but like we don't really extremely add too much pepper in it when our body can't eat. But we don't love pepper. Garlic. Just because some of this scotch bonnet pepper. And then we go just chop up the garlic. Saute the garlic just to add flavor to the oil. Saute them up just a little bit before I actually add in the saltfish and then the okra. The okra and this are the saltfish. See the right for the fire, they see them move, so when we're done here, I'm going to scrape off the okra for the last thing in the pot. Just let them cook a little bit. So we just want the okra to steam. I don't want them to overcook, so I give it for 5 minutes. Guys, if you see what I go on in the pot on the sun there, saltfish and okra. And I go cover it just to make it up with vegetable them steam, which is the okra, just a little bit. Guys, you see, that's why I love Jamaica. My yard full of fruit trees. See that? Aki tree. I go and beer up, get some aki off it to eat. And the mango tree, I blossom same way. And I go show no more fruit tree right now. And see the one more fruit tree that guys, that a kneesberry. But we can't get none of it because of the rat bat them. So them a move vicious on the kneesberry them. There's a mango actually there on the tree too, you see that? That's why me wouldn't trade Jamaica for the world. Cause you know there's always a fruit tree in a Jamaica where you can get something off it to eat. So that's how fruitful my yard is. A lot of fruits. And see other limb up there so full up of blossom. I am checking on the pot. Basically the okra done steam, so you know overcook the vegetable. So it's looking good so far. So the next step now if you take off it and then scrape off the and that's it for today. So yeah, scrape off the because it done roast and the dinner done cook people. Guys, the hot, that's why I have to spin it. So for the boiling of the cabbage, I use quarter stick of butter. I go use little all-purpose season. And I go use little bit of salt, same way. So I just go basically season up the water and taste it. Because I don't want it too salt and I don't want it too fresh. I just want if you have adequate amount of season, so that's when the cabbage boil up in it, the cabbage can actually absorb some of the season. So I taste the water to make sure I have enough season and salt. Yeah man, guys, it tastes alright. Step. Guys, see the cabbage, I use some carrot in it. So the boiled vegetable done. So basically, I'm going to take off here for the fire now. Guys, we come to the end of the video, and this is my saltfish with okra, roast yam and boiled vegetable. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel.